Greetings, queens. Welcome back to my channel. This is your sis Kathy Vet coming to you with another wig install and review. This time it's by Outre'S beautiful Dione. You want to see how I achieve this look with these beautiful curls. Look at this nice body wave look in this beautiful rich color, very voluminous, not too long, but long enough to be professional yet sexy. Come on, let's get into it. Now here we have Dione. It is from Outre'S Melted Hairline collection. Let me go over some of the specs with you. The beautiful colors that it comes in is a jet black, which is number 1, off black 2, off black is 1B, dark brown is 2, 613, which is a blonde color. Then we have DR4, which is a sandy blonde. We have the dark chocolate Swiss color, which this one is DRFF2/GIBRN, which is a ginger brown color. We have the DRFF BID toast color. We have a mixed DRFF chocolate toffee, a red ombre color, and we have the DRFF DW wine. This is a soft HD transparent lace that has a 5-inch part. As you can see, is 2 combs in the back. 1 comb in the back, 2 in the front. It has a pre-attached elastic band to make it more secure. It has the baby hairs. Look at these beautiful curls. It's 20 inches and it's safe under heating if you wanted to add more curls at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And just let you know, it's pre-plucked hairline and pre-plucked sideburns. So let's get this wig on and let's get into it.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes.
This is Dione. This is about all I'm going to do with her off camera. I had went and used a hot comb to flatten this out a little bit. Didn't really need to do much, but I had it plugged up just in case, you know, I needed to get rid of the hump. But it's not so bad because I like a little volume. Yeah, I could have did a little less with these baby hairs, or got rid of them altogether, but it would have probably needed a little more plucking. But this wig is just a 4x4 middle part, so there is not a lot of plucking that needed to be done like I did, in case I want to put this up, like, you know, in a clip. I can put it up in a clip, and that's why I tried to do a little bit of plucking here, but it's really not necessary because the hair is going to fall down to the sides because it is a middle part wig. It's a light yaki texture. Dione is beautiful when it comes to the layered curls. It's very soft, much nicer than I thought it would be. I love the cut, as you can see, layered really nice in the back, ventilated cap, so you know it wouldn't be so hot. It's breathable in the summer. But this is a beautiful brown chocolate swirl. They call this color because even though it's brown, I don't know if you can see. If I was in the sunlight, you probably see a little better. Take some pictures later and post them, but it's like lighter brown and darker brown, so that's why they call it a brown swirl. I gave you the colors and the specs. It's a 20-inch. Comes in a lot of beautiful ombre colors, as I showed you on the back of the stock card. And then it lists the plain solid colors, like 1, which is a jet black, 1B, which is more of an off black, 2 is a really deep blackish brown, and then you have 2, which is a deep brown. But then they have a lot, about 8 beautiful ombre colors, reds and rich browns, and you know, lighter blondish brown colors. So I think it's gorgeous for all seasons. Whatever, if you somebody like me, I love different rich colors. Yeah, I just love the feel of this wig. I think it's beautiful, and I definitely love these layers. That's me when it comes to the cut of a hair, especially a long hair that's wavy. And yeah, I think Dione is really nice. I will go out and get her. This is from the Melted Hairline collection from Outre'S, which I absolutely love. Outre'S wigs. It's a frontal effect hairline. They had a lot more baby hairs on the side, but I got rid of all those other baby hairs, and I just swooped the one on the side. Depending on how big your head is, I cut the lace. Wasn't too much. I didn't have to cut into the cap construction, so it fit around the ears pretty well. I just tried to use some hairs to make the little swoop sideburn here, but that's it. Yeah, a lot of baby hairs. Definitely you wouldn't need all that, but I love the Air Comfort Fit Contour. A lot of wigs I have to sometimes cut around the construction because it doesn't go around my ears comfortably, but this one definitely went totally, as you can see, behind my ear without the entire wig being over it. So if you kind of understand what I get. So this is very nice, whether you are a millennial or you are a Gen Z like me, us older sisters, who like longer
Girl,
hair.
what are you talking about? You are a Gen X. You are no Gen Z. You may want to be.
You can pick
but,
up. I tried to do the
get a grip.
sideburns, with the lace. It was kind of light to put in the makeup to blend it in, makeup down the part. The hair that you saw me have was from plucking the part. I wanted to make it a little bit wider, then put some makeup to match my scalp. And yeah, I think she's gorgeous. What do you think about Dione? Definitely put in the comments. Let me know if you have her already. If you would like her in other colors, or would you like to see me in another color? Or definitely let me know what you like out of the ensemble of beautiful, beautiful highlighted colors. So until next time, stay authentically you and live the life you deserve.